Unlocking the secrets of the subconscious mind. The mind is a complex entity with a dual nature, the conscious and the subconscious. While the conscious mind handles daily decisions and rational thinking, the subconscious operates below the surface, influencing much of our behavior and emotional responses without our direct awareness. The subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in shaping our everyday experiences and interactions. It stores our beliefs, memories, and past experiences, subtly guiding our actions and reactions. Understanding its influence can be key to recognizing deep-seated patterns in our life. Autosuggestion is a powerful technique to sway the subconscious. By repeatedly feeding it positive statements and self-affirmations, we can reprogram our thought patterns. This practice gradually shifts our underlying beliefs and can lead to significant changes in our behavior and outlook. Visualization and mental imagery serve as vital tools in setting and achieving goals. By vividly imagining achieving a goal, the subconscious begins to align with this vision, working in subtle ways to bring about the circumstances necessary to make these images a reality. The power of belief is profound, capable of triggering physical changes in the body. When we truly believe we can overcome physical limits, our body adapts to this mindset. This phenomenon underscores the mysterious yet potent force of our subconscious beliefs in shaping our physical reality. The intricate relationship between our thoughts and emotions and our physical health cannot be overstated. Negative patterns of thinking can weaken the immune system, while positive thoughts can literally heal, demonstrating the profound impact of mental states on physical well-being. Fear and phobias often reside deeply in the subconscious, making them difficult to confront with logic alone. Techniques such as exposure therapy and cognitive behavioral therapy work by gradually recalibrating the subconscious responses, thereby reducing the fear response over time. Positive affirmations are a powerful tool for personal development. Regularly affirming one's values and goals can reinforce a positive self-image and desired outcomes in the subconscious mind. This practice helps align daily actions with broader life goals. The subconscious mind plays a crucial role during sleep, influencing dreams and the processing of daily experiences. Analyzing dreams can provide insights into unresolved issues and desires, offering a roadmap for addressing these in our waking life. Conflicts, whether personal or professional, can often be traced back to subconscious cues that we emit or perceive. Understanding and responding to these cues can lead to more effective communication and resolution strategies, improving relationships and workplace dynamics. The subconscious mind serves as a reservoir of creativity and problem-solving abilities. By tapping into this part of the brain, individuals can generate innovative ideas and find unique solutions to complex challenges, thereby enhancing their cognitive processes and creative outputs. Positive affirmations play a critical role in shaping our reality. When consistently practiced, they reinforce desired outcomes and help embed these aspirations into our subconscious. This method not only boosts confidence but also aligns our daily actions with our goals. Sleep and dreams are closely linked to the subconscious mind, acting as a mirror reflecting our innermost thoughts and fears. Analyzing dreams can provide insights into unresolved issues and desires, offering a clearer understanding of our subconscious motivations and helping us address them consciously. Conflict resolution, whether in personal or professional settings, can be significantly influenced by subconscious cues. By understanding these underlying signals, individuals can navigate disputes more effectively, fostering healthier relationships and more productive environments. The power of forgiveness extends beyond emotional relief, it profoundly impacts the subconscious mind. Letting go of grudges and bitterness frees the individual from negative mental cycles, thereby promoting mental health, peace, and overall well-being. Faith and spiritual beliefs often serve as powerful activators for the subconscious mind. They provide deeper meaning and connection, which can be incredibly motivating and can instill a profound sense of peace and purpose, enhancing the overall effectiveness of subconscious programming. Maintaining a healthy subconscious mind is essential for mental and emotional well-being. Regular practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and cognitive reframing help in keeping the subconscious supportive and constructive, avoiding negative patterns that can disrupt personal growth and happiness. The transformational power of the subconscious is vividly demonstrated through various case studies. Individuals who have successfully reprogrammed their subconscious thoughts and beliefs often experience significant improvements in their personal and professional lives, showcasing the potential of targeted subconscious work. Limiting beliefs deeply entrenched in the subconscious can often hold us back. Identifying and actively rewriting these beliefs through techniques like affirmations and visualization can lead to profound changes in one's behavior and outlook, paving the way for success and fulfillment. Daily engagement with the subconscious through practices like journaling, guided meditation, and intentional setting can significantly influence its programming. This consistent interaction helps to align the subconscious with conscious objectives, fostering personal growth and achievement. Nurturing a positive subconscious mind has lifelong impacts, influencing everything from emotional resilience to decision-making. By consistently reinforcing positive thoughts and patterns, individuals can shape a reality that aligns more closely with their desired outcomes and enhances overall well-being. In conclusion, engaging with your subconscious mind is a continuous journey that offers substantial benefits throughout life. By adopting practices like meditation, affirmations, and mindfulness, you can maintain a healthy, supportive subconscious that propels you toward personal and professional success. To read full content of the book, purchase the book by following the link given in the comments section. See you in the next video.